பயாலஜி இன் தமிழ் கோர்வை சேனல் சார்பாக அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் கண்ணதாசன். Today I am going to present my video on asexual reproduction part 3 in botany. Before we enter into this video, if you like this video, press the like button, share this video to your friends, comment on it, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon to receive more such videos in future. Here I have given the link. The links are also given in the description for asexual reproduction part 1 and asexual reproduction part 2, and also Telegram link, WhatsApp link. First, you please go through the part 1 and part 2, then come to this video, so you will have the connection with the current concept. Today video cover the following. Number 1, vegetative reproduction by subaerial stems. Then vegetative reproduction by leaves. I would like to here give some motivational tips for the students. Students usually keep on reading. You please avoid such a habit. Instead of that, you please work with the subject or work for the subject. Read once. After that, you start doing some work like do paperwork by taking notes, draw mind map, tabular column, practice diagram, arrange the content in chronological order, etc. Likewise, you can do lot with the subject. What are the benefits of working with the subject? You can speed up your learning, you can save time, you will have record of the content what you have learnt. Skill of simplification, prevent yourself from rota memory. These are the benefits. I gave here some examples. You see, I tabulated the asexual reproduction examples, reproductive structure, conidia, budding, etc. and with the examples. So you can do this. You can pause the video and you can take note of it here also. And vegetative reproduction also, vegetative reproduction by root, adventitious buds. You see, common name, Tamil name, scientific name, reproductive structure. Tamil name also I gave. In the part 1 and part 2 I gave the pictures in order to improve your memory or memory skill. And here, vegetative reproduction by underground stem. Okay, common name and Tamil name, scientific names, reproductive structures are given here, so you can take note of it. Note taking is one of the best habit in the process of preparation for the examination, especially towards your NEET examination and board examination. Vegetative reproduction by subaerial stem. Okay, so this is what we are going to learn today, right? Here runner, stolen, offset, sucker, bulbils, that are all we are going to study. And this also we are going to study vegetative reproduction by leaf, epiphyllous leaf, and all the examples I gave with along the pictures. First one, vegetative reproduction in stem, subaerial stem modification. Runner example, Centella asiatica. Stolen example, Mentha and Fragaria. Offset example, Pistia and Eichhornia. Sucker example, Chrysanthemum. And bulbils example, Dioscorea and agave. The first one is runner. I would like to stress one thing here. I want you to differentiate runner, offset, stolen and sucker. I gave the notes, so you please go through it and you are able to differentiate them properly. Then only you can understand the concepts with the pictures. Runner, here example, Centella asiatica, very popularly known as Vallarai, otherwise known as Yosnavalli. It improves our memory power. And other examples are doob grass, Cynodon dactylon, oxalis, and it is Centella asiatica. In English it is called as Indian pennywort. And runner, it consists of elongated horizontally elongated internodes. It trail along the soil carrying the bud to a distance in order to produce a new plant. Offset, right? Example, Pistia, Pistia stratiodes. It is also known as Kudi Tamarai in Tamil and also Agasa Tamarai, and this is the offset. This is the parent plant, this is the offset, and produce the new plant here. It is like runner, and that internode. Okay, you see the internode, that is very shorter and thicker. That is the one of the difference. Okay. And this is the water hyacinth. The water hyacinth is also example for offset only. Eichhornia crassipus. And here some notes are given about it. it is a terror of Bengal. It is actually introduced in India to for the that is ornamental purpose as an ornamental plant, but it is rapid vegetative reproduction makes the aquatic habit very that is detrimental to the aquatic habitat. It depletes the dissolved oxygen and it leads to the death of the aquatic organism. And its Tamil name is Vangaya Tamare because it consists of, you see, onion like bulged petiole at the base. So it is called as Vangaya Tamare, and this is its flower. And you see, it covered the entire aquatic environment. So that is the reason why it is called as terror of Bengal. Stolen. Okay, example Fragaria vesca, and commonly called as strawberry plant. And here the stolen, first it grows upward, make it very clear, it grow upward. It is also like runner, but it grows upward, then it descend downwards and touch the soil and produce the new plant. So it is called as stolen. And one more example here it is given, it is mentha. Okay, pudina, peppermint, it's an English name mentha, and Tamil name is the pudina. This is also example for stolen. And this is the sucker. Sucker is an underground runner. It actually originate from the axillary bud from the underground stem, maybe from the first node. From there the axillary bud start producing a new branch. Okay, and it grows obliquely and come out of the soil and produce a new plant, and also it produce the roots. If you cut this here and it produce a new plant. Chrysanthemum is the best example. Chrysanthemum, Samanthi. In Tamil it is called as Samanthi. It is the best example. So this is also like a runner, but it originates from the underground axillary bud and grows obliquely and come out of the soil. And this is axillary bulbils, Dioscorea bulbifera. In the axillary bud you can see the ball-like structure. This is called as bulbil. It is producing a new plant, and it is also known as Kattu Chiragavalli. Okay, this is the agave macroacantha. Okay, this is the bulbils produced. This is also known as in Tamil Karungatradai. The vegetative bulbils are produced on the vegetative as well as floral axis. Okay, and these fall on the ground and produce a new plant. Vegetative reproduction by leaf. Okay, Bryophyllum, Scilla, Begonia. So these are the three examples given. And Bryophyllum, epiphyllous buds are present on the that is edges, the notches, actually the notches of the leaves. You see, it can grow into a new plant. In Tamil it is called as Ranakalli, and also it is known as Kattipotal Kuttipodum, because if you tie this leaf and hang it, it can start producing a new buds and a new plant. So it is called as Kattipotal Kuttipodum, and its scientific name is Bryophyllum calcinum. There are a variety of plant in Bryophyllum, and this is the Scilla. Scilla is a bulbous plant and grows in sandy soil. It consists of long and narrow epiphyllous, that is long and narrow leaves. At the tip of the leaf, epiphyllous buds are present. Wherever it touches the soil, from there a new plant it is able to produce. So there are variety of again Scilla plants. This is the Scilla peruviana. Next one is Begonia and Begonia rex. Okay, Begonia rex. Here you can see there is just the leaf is planted in the soil, and this vein is touching the soil. Okay, from the vein the new plants are arising. You see, this is the old leaf, and from the veins of the leaf the new plants are arising. Main veins into the peat moss. Make sure to leave majority of the leaf out of the peat mass. So this is the way in which it reproduces. And so that is the end of this video, students. Thank you for watching the video, and we will be meeting in future with a lot of such videos. Please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends, and have the group discussion with your friends, so that you are able to remember the concepts very easily, and also attend the exam properly and get a full mark. All the best, student. Thank you.